Okay, today we have a lot of studying to get done. I'm really liking these study vlogs because I get to study with you guys like usual, but I get to also show more than just studying. So I'm very excited to get started today. I want to finish my flashcards. I made flashcards for the top 1,000 common words in Japanese. I think Nathaniel Drew, he talked about that, so I wanted to give it a try. I'm in the 900s already, so I only have about 100 left, so I want to get that done today. I also want to read some more of Atomic Habits, and I'm reading a book just for fun. It's the Cruel Prince series. I'm on the second book. The first one was okay, but they said that it gets better in the second book, so I'm really hoping that it does. I was also thinking if you guys wanted to hear more about the books I just read for fun, maybe I could do a book reading series too. I'm also trying to read books in Japanese. Obviously they're children's books, but it's another way to learn in a fun manner that I find enjoyable. But if I find it helpful in learning the vocabulary, I'll definitely recommend them to you. And besides that, we can get started. I'm really excited to just get this work done, relax a little bit, prepare for the gym tomorrow morning and going to bed early. So let's get started.
これ多い
Guys, we finished the flashcards we said we're gonna do. When we say we're gonna do something, we do it. High five. Very proud of us. To reward ourselves for working hard, I think we should go outside, get some fresh air, and let Milo run around like a crazy person. I think we deserve that. So I'm gonna get my book, all my stuff, and we're gonna head outside. Getting real tired. I want to go to bed, but I gotta put this video out. I gotta put this video out. I gotta put this video out.